Tired of losing track of your company's long-term purchases? Learn to create a fixed asset in Zoho Books in under 3 minutes. We'll start in Settings to enable the module, then jump to the Accountant section to fill out all the details. Follow along with these simple clicks. Start by opening Zoho Books. Then, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Now, go to the General settings. Click on Fixed Asset to enable the module. Hit Save to confirm. Then, close the Settings window. Next, navigate to the Accountant module. Click on Fixed Assets and press the Create New Fixed Asset button. Type the asset name. Then, type in the purchase value. Now, type the purchase value again for the next field. And finally, type the disposal value. Click on Asset Type to choose an existing one or create a new one. Go ahead and select Add New Fixed Asset Type. Now, click on Purchase Quantity and type the amount. Then, click on Current Quantity and type the current count. Click on the Fixed Asset Account field and pick an account. For example, select Furniture and Equipment. Next, click on Accumulated Depreciation Account and select one. Again, choose Furniture and Equipment as an example. Then, for the Depreciation Expense account, pick an account. For instance, select Advertising and Marketing. Finally, click Save as Draft to save your fixed asset. And that's it. You've created a fixed asset in Zoho Books. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.